Hi, thanks for joining me today. We're going to be preparing for our LeTort meeting on February 15th. Sorry, I only have a picture of the picture for the activity we're going to be doing, but if you'd like to see it in person, you need to stop at the Fabric Center in Carlisle to see it. I've already dropped it off in my excitement. I forgot I was going to do a little video to prep. But before I get started, I wanted to thank Mary Ellen, our president, for her excellent job that she's been doing this year in keeping us busy and happy via Zoom on workshops and meetings. If you would like to buy the kit, they are available at the Fabric Center, and Alice, as always, is at the cutting table on Friday and Saturdays. This activity is based on a lecture by Beth Helfner that we enjoyed, the accordion half-square triangles. If you'd like more information about Beth and her books and the accordion half-square triangles, check out her link at evapagequilts.com. And Paige is like the little girl's name, Paige. evapagequilts.com. So let's get set up for our success at the meeting on the 15th. In your newsletter, you will see a printout like this. We are going to need 12, I'll write it up here, 12 9-inch squares and 4 9-inch backgrounds, these being the backgrounds 1, 4, 7, and 10. And then you'll need 4 8.5-inch squares backgrounds for the 4 corners. But we're not going to worry about this right now. We're going to focus just on the 9-inch ones. So our 9-inch background is number 1, background. And I'm writing this down so I remember. Number 4 is background. Number 7 is background. And you'll see in a minute why this is important. And 10 is the background. In order to prepare for success in the meeting, you need to have your fabric cut out and stacked in correct order. And that's what I want to show you right now. Before we stack it, I need to review with you that we're going to draw one line, just one, on each of the diagonals. I already did this one, but let me show you how I did it. I put my Quilter's Magic Ruler that you can find at all fine quilting shops, wherever you go. And I have it water soluble. You can also use a pencil. And I just draw a line straight down. If you don't have the magic quilting wand or anything else like that, you'll just use your regular ruler. Hold on. I'll be using my overkill ruler here. And there's the center line. I'm going to move it over a 1/4 inch. A 1/4 inch. And then I can just draw my line. Okay, and I'm going to use it in pencil because I need to remember I don't need that line. We only need to draw one line. Remember what I just said. One line, okay, is all we need. So let's get back to our paper. After you've marked all of yours, the 4 background and the 12 9-inch squares, this is what we need to do. We're going to take the background, number 1. It goes right side up, okay? I'm just going to move it right up here, and then we'll keep reviewing it. Number 2, I've chosen this color, and I'm going to call that peach. So I'll write that word peach here, so I remember number 2 is peach. My other option is, here's all my scraps. I could just cut a little piece of scrap and glue it down, and I'll remember that way also. I take number 2 and I put it on top of the number 1. Number 3, I'm going to use as mustard. See, I've already drawn the line on it. Oops, no you can't. There, now you can see I already drew the line on it. I'm going to call this mustard for number 3. And I'm going to stack that on top. Number 4 is the background. So I put the background right here. So let's see what we have so far. Background 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're on to number 5. Number 5, I'm going to use this color. I'll call that apricot. And we want to do this so that if you're using different fabrics, it'll be just as easy for you to enjoy this activity. This one, why don't we just call nut brown? And I put it up here. And then number 7 is the background, which I've already written down. Don't forget, we've already marked all of these. There. So let's keep going around the star shape. Number 8. I'm going to use this lighter one and I'll call it mocha. And then the next one, I'll just name teal. And number 10 is the background. And so that's what we have. Wow. Okay, number 11 will be this color for me. And number 12, robin egg. Can you see that? Yes. There. Once you have all of those out, like so, I'm so excited. All we're going to do is just flip it over, and we're going to put it next to your sewing table, and you'll be ready for class. Okay? Or, sorry, the meeting. I am so excited about this fun activity. For the meeting, remember you'll need your sewing machine, an iron, scissors, rotary cutter, mat, and a happy heart ready to have fun. If you have a friend that you would like to invite, here's our policy. Let me just flip this over so it looks pretty for you. Here's our policy. The first meeting on Zoom is free. If your friend would like to continue having fun with us, we ask that he or she becomes a member. It's only $25 a year for over 11 meetings between now and June 6th. Our last meeting is June 6th before the summer break. I hope you'll consider joining us, and I look forward to seeing you at the meeting if you do. If you have any more questions, please look up, and I'll put it down below. Oops, I forgot. I'll mark it down below. LeTortQuilters.com. That is our quilt guild, and the site has many resources. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you on February 15th.